name in quiet nights, and broken dreams and city lights. When I was lost, you felt like home, a heart like mine, no longer alone. Your smile heals what words can't say. You turn my dark into brighter days. I never knew love could be true until my world led me to you. It's only you in every prayer, only you in every tear. Through every storm, I'll stay right here. My love, my truth, my heart so clear. If time is cruel and roads divide, I'll choose you still 1,000 times. Forever starts the day I knew this life, this love is only you. We're not perfect, we never were, but your flaws fit mine, that's for sure. Hand in hand through highs and lows, a kind of love that only grows. When silence speaks, you understand. You read my soul, you hold my hand. If the world breaks, I won't be afraid. With you beside me, I'll be okay. It's only